Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I'm going to tell you all about how to start speaking in English, right? How to start speaking English language. Anyway guys, let's get into the video without any further delay. Hey dear English learners, before telling you anything about this particular topic, I would like to tell you something very much important. Something very much important. And that is, if you really want to speak English confidently and fluently, then there must be your interest over there. It does not mean or it does not apply only in English. It applies or it goes same with everything whatever you want to learn. If your interest is not there, if your interest is not there, it does not matter how many things do you do in order to achieve that particular thing or learn that particular thing, you will be unable to get that eventually. So this is very much important. For example, you do not want to swim or learn swimming, right? But I am the one who wants you to teach you swimming. So do you think that it is possible? Of course it is not. Of course it is not. If your interest is not there, nobody can teach you anything. If your interest will be there, you will enjoy the process, you will enjoy the learning process, and that's how you will learn something new on your own. Otherwise, if you think that they are learning English, they are speaking so smoothly, it sounds amazing, that's the reason I want to learn English. Of course you are not going to you are not going to learn, because after some particular time, when you will get a little improvement in your communication, then you will feel like to quit learning the learning process. So that's the thing guys, which I wanted to tell you, like why interest matters a lot in every field or in everything whatever you want to learn. This is the thing. And second thing guys, which I want to tell you, which is the priority, which is priority. If you will give priority to something, then that particular thing will be evolving around your mind, will be circulating around your mind, and that's how you will focus more to learn that particular thing, and you will learn that thing at the end, right? So these two things. But make sure that if your interest is over there, automatically you will understand, and you will understand giving priority to learning English language. Yes, it will automatically happen if your interest is over there, right guys? For example, if you for an example, if you take my example, so here what happens, it does not matter how much busy I am, right? How much busy I am. If I will not do activities regarding English improvement every single day, then I feel something is missing in my daily routine, something is missing in my habit, and which makes me feel uncomfortable, which makes me feel not flexible, and I feel upset. And that moment I realize that I forgot doing the activities regarding English improvement, and again I start doing the activities, then that thing really makes me very happy. So that's the importance of these two particular things. Interest, if your interest is there, so of course your priority, giving priority to something which will automatically coming to you, right? Which will be automatically coming to you guys. Anyway guys, now let's come back to the point, which is how to start speaking English. How to start speaking English language. You have to understand this. So guys, see, here I would like to give you one more example. One more example. And that is, when you were a child. When you were a child, so of course, whatever your native language was, nobody taught you. For example, your mother tongue was Hindi. So just ask a question to yourself. Did your mother, did your brother, did your sister taught you that particular language? Not at all. You learn it by yourself. And how did you learn? This is the main question. You learn because of the environment, because of the observation of the same particular thing after listening again, again, and again, right? For example, your mama was there speaking in your mother tongue, your father was speaking in your mother tongue, your brother, sister, your family members, your relatives, everybody was speaking, even your surroundings were speaking in your mother tongue, because of which you improved your mother tongue, and after some period of time you learned that particular language. But in the case of English, what is happening? Of course, in India, there is no environment. There is no environment of learning English language, because we know that English is second language in our learning process, right? Of course. So this is the thing. So here in India, we do not have the environment, so we cannot apply this particular thing. Otherwise, we will have the if we will have the environment, then of course our burden of learning English will be reduced to a very little one, right? So now the question is, what else we can do in order to replace, or you can say in order to get this kind of environment where we can really improve our English. So that is the thing, listening. Listening, yes guys, just start listening, just start listening from today onward, so that it can help you to improve your English, right? Now the question is like, what are the benefits that I'll get from listening? So benefit number one, well, just hold on a second before telling you the benefit number one. Here I want to tell you one more thing. You might be thinking, Array, if I will listen that video or that audio in English, can I understand? Can I understand? Might be this is the question running in your mind. So make sure that you are watching me in English. You are watching me in English. And if the things that I am telling you, you are understanding, then you do not need to worry about it. Then you do not need to worry about it. Just think you are already good at it. Now you just need to do the works. You need to do the practices only, right? So start learning, guys. Means start listening. If you listen the things, so it gives you a lot of benefits. Benefit number one, it gives you a quick revision of those vocabulary which you have learned so far, right? Because when you watch a video or a like any English video of the length of 10 minutes or 8 minutes, so of course it is true, you get so many vocabulary which is new, and you get a quick revision of those vocabulary which you have learned so far. Benefit number one is getting quick revision, and if you are getting quick revision, then make sure that you are going to remember that same particular thing for a long time. Benefit number two, it gives you new vocabulary. It gives you new vocabulary. And benefit number three, it gives you an idea of pronouncing the word, or you can say it gives you an kind of a complete idea, okay, of pronunciation, which is very much important in language learning. So three things which gave you like you got from where, just by listening that video. But do it, just listen the same particular video for thrice, not twice, for thrice, for better understanding. For example, you watched one video of the length of 7 minutes, so of course there will be few points which you did not understand completely, if you will watch that particular video twice, thrice, so what will happen? Rest of the thing which you did not understand, this time you will understand completely, and which will help you in your language learning process, and you will enjoy the process also. You can start listening those things which you want to listen. For example, if you want to listen the political news, you can watch, you can listen in English. If you are interested into watching comedy videos, you can watch in English. Means do what you want, but exactly in English language, so that rather than wasting your time here, you can kill two birds at the same time. You can also learn English, you can also pass your time, enjoy your time. So this is the importance of listening, guys. In the second point number two, which I would like to tell you, practice. Practice, guys. Don't forget to do practice. Don't forget to do practice. Because practice makes a man perfect. This is not a statement. This is just not a quote. it has very deep meaning, guys. It has very deep meaning. I had a friend, he was not knowing, or he was very poor at English communication, at English language. He just continuously did the practice so long, with a full effort, with full energy. So you will be glad to know that only in 6 months, he improved his English up to the next level, guys. This is the power of practice English. Practicing your English every single day. Practice makes a man perfect, guys. And guys, the point number three, which I would like to tell you, and then after we'll come to the conclusion of this video, right? So, point number three again, which is surrounding yourself in English, immersion. Okay, surround yourself in English. If you have time, guys, so you can start reading in English. You can start listening in English. You can start watching in English. Means just do the activities related to English, because it will give you an environment where you will feel attachment with English language, bonding with English language. And every single time, if you will read, I am damn sure that even if you will read, you are going to learn something new. If you will listen, you are going to learn something new. If you watch something in English, you are going to learn something new. And if you will aid all this learning, then you can imagine, you can calculate how much you will learn in a single day. And if you will use in your speaking communication, in English communication, you can imagine once again how much good you will be speaking. Anyway, guys, this was all about today's video. If you enjoy, then please let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question, you can ask me too in the comment section. Anyway, guys, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon. Once again, thanks for watching my video.